Good morning, my dear friends. We are happy to share our weekly research papers being published on each Monday, like 375 FAQs on legal compliances, plus also legal updates as on March 25 for India. It's relevant for your kind understanding for legal obligation to be compliant by corporates plus also non-corporate both for India to avoid financial penalty and also imprisonments under 9 acts only like Foreign Exchange Management Act known as FEMA, Security and Exchange Board Act known as SEBI, Income Tax Act known as IT, Companies Act known as CA, Goods and Service Tax Act known as GST, Special Economic Zone Act known as SEZ, Software Technology Park of India known as STPI, Real Estate Regulatory Authority known as RERA, Labor Law Act known as LLA. Our research papers are being published under our special program known as Darshan Mala series for knowing about several acts in operation in India like Prevention of Corruption Act, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, RBI, FEMA, UFIA, BTA and many more. Several enforcement agencies in India also working known as ED, DRI, CBI, NIA, SFIO, DGI, TCI, DGGI and many more. Several regulatory authorities are also working in India like IFSCA, RBI, SEBI, NCB, RAW, EOW, IB, CBC, NCLT, FIU and many more. You may click following links for viewing our profile where 95 research papers are available like 2 books, 3 newsletters, 90 articles for your kind reading plus also reverting back to us. Thank you.